Very good evening to all of you. Okay, I will explain this FIFO concept and LIFO concept again, and then we'll move to the next question. Is that clear? Okay. Now, I'll read this sum for you again. From the following information, prepare trading account. Please concentrate. Please concentrate. Oh, please concentrate. Opening stock 10 units at the rate of 100 each, 1000. Purchases 90 units at the rate of 100 each, 9000. Loading, unloading, transport, freight and transit insurance. For purchase of goods, rupees how much? 900. Sales is 80 units at 125 each. Now, this sum I have given something extra which are known as direct expenses, which I have already explained you. Direct expenses are expenses which are directly related to what? Purchases. And while valuing the closing stock, you have to consider this cost also, not only the purchase cost. The direct expenses cost will also be included in your what? Closing stock. Is that clear? Now, opening stock 10 units, 1000. Purchases 90 units, 9000. Direct expenses, which is how much? 900. And then sales 80 units. Now come back here. What did I tell you? Sir, out of 100, 80 is sold. Remaining is what? 20. This 20 is left out of how much? This 90. It means that goods which have come in first are sold first. FIFO method. So 10 units are sold first. Out of this 80, kaisa sale kya hai? Opening stock 10. Out of this 90, how many are sold? 70. So what is left is closing stock. This closing stock is left out of this 90. Now the question is, what is the cost of 90? Cost of 90 is not only 9000, it is 9000 plus 900. That is total 9900 divided by 90. 9900 divided by 90 is how much? 110. So closing stock is valued at 110. Reason, selling price is higher than the cost. So cost or NRV, whichever is lower. Here NRV is 125 and stock cost is 110. So it is valued at 110. 2200. Answer is gross profit 1300. Now the same sum, if I assume which method? LIFO method, then same sum. Only thing is this 20, this 80 is sold out of the last purchase. What is the last purchase? Last in kitna hai? 90. 90 में से 80 सेल किया तो बचा कितना 90 में से 10. So opening stock is 10 and out of the purchase how much? 10. All this will be your closing stock. Is that clear? Right? So closing stock includes opening stock also, which is valued at 100, and this 10 which is out of this 90 is valued at 110. Then the value of stock will be, closing stock will be 2100. In that case the GP will be 1200. So it depends on the valuation principle also. Closing stock is a valuation. Is that clear? It is valued at cost or NRV, whichever is lower. There are various methods. One is FIFO, another is what? LIFO. Up till here, is that clear? Any difficulty? Okay, now next is there are certain formulas which I have given here. Okay, we'll take the formulas here. Let those be there. Sir, okay, now come back to this. Yehi le lo, sum. Okay, answer this, guys. This opening stock is valued at cost. Purchase is valued at cost. Direct expenses obviously is the cost. Closing stock is also valued at cost. Now take these three items. Opening stock plus purchases plus direct expenses minus closing stock. I repeat once again. Opening stock plus purchases plus direct expenses minus closing stock will give you cost of goods sold. What will give you? What will give? Cost of goods sold. Now concentrate here. What is this? 10? Hello? 10. 10 plus 90. How much? 100 is what? Goods available for sale. Gas. This is gas. This is gas. Gas में से 20 निकालो. 80. 80 is what? Goods sold. Goods. So 80 is nothing but goods sold. Now tell me, this is at cost price, this is at cost price, this is at cost, this is also at cost. So 80 is goods sold. So if you apply CO, cost of goods sold. So what do you get the formula? Did you understand the formula? What is cost of goods sold? Tell me. Bolo. Cost of goods sold is equal to opening stock plus purchases plus direct expenses minus closing stock. Here I have not taken direct expenses, assuming purchases include what? Direct expenses. Is that clear? Is that clear? Now concentrate here. What is this? Opening stock plus purchases plus direct expenses. This is known as cost of goods available for sale. Gas. Uska cost. Cost of goods available for sale. So I can give one more formula. Cost of goods sold can also be written as co-gas. What is co-gas? Cost of goods available for sale minus closing stock. This is one more formula. I hope all of you are able to understand this. Any difficulty? Clear? Please take down this. Shall we proceed? Yes? Okay, now I'll ask you another question. Please answer this. Have you taken the formula? Now have a look at it. इधर आ जाओ. इस सम में मुझे बताइए, what is cost of goods sold? In this FIFO method, what is cost of goods sold? Please tell me. Hello? Opening stock plus purchases plus direct expenses minus closing stock. आंसर कितना है? 8,700. अरे बराबर है. So 8,700 is what? Cost of goods sold. Now there is one more formula for cost of goods sold. Sale में से, hello, concentrate here. Out of the sales 10,000. Out of the sale 10,000, just deduct your gross profit. Sales minus gross profit. निकालो कितना आता है? 8,700. Reason is very simple. इसमें जो profit hidden है, it is hidden in GP only. Is that clear? अरे समझ में आया ना? So आपको क्या करना है? From sales deduct GP, you will get cost of goods sold. So one more formula for cost of goods sold. Cost of goods sold is equal to, tell me, sales minus closing stock ne re baba, gross profit. Sales minus gross profit. Can you take it? Is that clear? All of you understood? I repeat once again. Cost of goods sold, one more formula. Sales minus gross profit. So lot of formulas can come from this. I can write sales also as cost of goods sold plus GP. I can get one more. GP is equal to sales minus cost of goods sold. Even from this formula, many formulas can come. But these are some of the formulas. Is that clear? Any formula can be applied here. Please remember the formulas. Is it very simple? Clear, guys? All of you? Next. Shall we proceed? Okay. Now, there is one more sum. आ जाओ. Now this is an interesting sum. Okay. Question number 1. I'll read it for you first. Okay. I'll give you time to copy also. Okay. Have a look at it. From the following trial balance, prepare trading account, P&L account and balance sheet. Now, opening stock 10 units, purchases 90 units, 9,000. Our standard sum. Furniture 10,000. 8 units are sold at the rate of 125, 10,000. Salary, expenses, debtors, creditors, cash and capital. Now this is very, very interesting. Closing stock, how many units? 15 units at 100 each, 1,500. Goods damaged, 5 units at the rate of 100 each, 500. So 500 is your goods which are damaged. Insurance company has admitted a claim for how much? 400 only. Damaged goods are sold for how much? 300. Outstanding salary is how much? 300. Outstanding, all these are adjustments. All these are adjustments. Okay. Now one by one we'll have to see the adjusting entries first. बराबर है? Okay. Now please answer. Okay, I'll give you time to copy. Please take down. Okay, first have a look at the explanation of this sum, guys. I hope all of you have taken this sum. Concentrate here. Sir, this is a very simple sum. Only thing is, in the previous sums there was loss by fire. Now it is goods damaged, and then damaged goods are sold for how much? 300, and insurance company is giving you how much? 400. Now first of all tell me, whenever there is fire or whenever the goods are damaged, first thing is you call the insurance company. Insurance company will come to your premises, will do the survey. They will ensure that the fire or the damage has not taken place deliberately, because if it is deliberate, insurance company will not pay you what? Any money. Deliberate means janbujhkar. Is that clear? Bekat lena. Correct. Now here let us say this is a genuine case. Insurance company, what it will say? I'll ask you a question. Now let us say you are the insurance company. Let us say I am selling shirts. Okay, and let us say there is a rat bite. Okay, rats have bitten the shirts and 5 shirts are damaged. Okay, इधर से फाड़ दिया गया है, फट गया है, या the rats have eaten it. What will the insurance company do? Insurance company says, okay, you have taken very good care, but you know, somehow the rats have sneaked in and they have destroyed your 5 shirts. Damaged, not completely destroyed. Goods are damaged. Now, can damaged goods be sold in the market? Please answer. Okay. Correct. Damaged goods can be sold in the market. I'll give you 2 options. Tell me which option is feasible. Okay. Insurance company says, okay, we'll give you 400. We will take the damaged goods along with us. Option number 1. Option number 2, insurance company says, okay, damaged goods can be sold in the market at an estimated price of 100. Your loss is how much? 500. You are going to sell the damaged goods in the market at 100. We'll give you 400. Second option. Is that clear? Which option generally happens? Option number 1 or option number 2? How many of you say 1? Okay. How many of you say 2? Okay. Why 1? First option Q. Okay. So insurance company is giving insurance, no? Now, either est cases ratapa. There are many cases like this. Now, in all the places, if they go on taking all this damaged goods, is insurance company an insurance company or Lokand Patra Batle company? Huh? You tell me. So insurance company will come. They'll say, okay, 5 shirts, we will take it. We have a lot of space. Okay, employees are sitting under the chair. We'll keep. No, it is not option number 1. It is definitely option number 2. Insurance company will say estimated scrap value of the goods kitna hai. Now in this case, might be the insurance company has estimated a cost of how much? 100. So they felt that this guy who has lost the, goods are here, goods are damaged, he'll be able to sell it in the market for how much? 100, all the 5 shirts. And hence insurance company says, we will pay you 400. But this guy has turned out to be smart. He has sold those damaged goods at how much? 300. Is that clear? He has turned out to be smart. So be it. Correct. Some people are very smart. I have seen so many of them, you know, converting goods which are damaged into a very premium product. And nowadays there's a lot of fashion and fad for all these ripped jeans and all. Correct? हरदित दूंदरा और कीमत हजगी फटा हुआ है तो उसका कीमत क्या है? ज़्यादा है ना? करेक्ट. यू सी वेरी नॉर्मल जीन्स एंड ऑल. करेक्ट. वो एक 1000 को रहेगा तो जो जितना फटा हुआ है, इधर से फटा है, इधर से फटा है, इधर से फटा है, उसका 2000 रहेगा. फैशन है भाई, कुछ बोल नहीं सकते. यस, आई स्टिल रिमेंबर व्हेन आई वाज इन कॉलेज, तब थोड़ा थोड़ा आता था. इधर इधर थोड़ा ही फटा हुआ है. सो आई हैड गॉट अ पर्टिकुलर जीन्स विच वाज अ बिट रिप्ड. ओके, उतना भी फटा नहीं था, एंड स्किन वाज नॉट विजिबल. ओके. So I took it home and then my father said, hey, ಭಿಕಾರಿಗಳು ಕೇಳ್ತಲ್ಲ ಹಂಗ ಹಾಕೊಂಬಂದಿಯಲ್ಲೋ ಅರ್ವಿ ನೀನು, ಕೊಟ್ಬಾದ್ನ ಹರ್ದಿದ್ದು ಹಾಕೋತಾರೆ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ದೀಪಾವಳಿಗೆ. then I gave it back. Okay, so today that is the fashion, no? Yes or no? I don't know. Yeah, when Aditi, my daughter, she was in, I think she was 6 years, I think in first standard. I took her to a shop for Diwali shopping and all, and she wanted a dress known as something which is cold shoulders. I came to know about cold shoulders when my daughter spoke about it. What are cold shoulders? Girls should tell me. You have a kind of a beautiful dress, and you know, idhar se phata hua rehta na. Phata hua means, I mean, it is open from here. Yes or no? Phata hua, whatever, yaar. That is cold shoulders. Okay, okay, whatever. I came to know about it. That is cold shoulders. Fair enough. Now, did you all get it? Come back to the sum. Here, they are saying insurance company has estimated that you are going to sell it at 100, and they said you will sell it at 100 and we are ready to give you how much? 400. Fair enough. He has sold it for how much? 300. He actually made a profit. Yes or no? So this is a situation. Can this be a situation? Answer is yes. Ho sakta hai. Now, one by one we'll see the entries. One by one we'll see the entries. And you also have to take it along with me. Is that clear? Trading account hai, profit and loss account hai, balance sheet hai. I have opened damaged goods account also. Then closing entries. Okay? Okay. Now, I'll ask you, hello guys, I'll ask you the journal entries. We will go on posting one by one. Now, hear it carefully. I have already written here, opening stock is a real account, purchases, sales and salary, these are nominal accounts. Is that clear? These are to be closed. But before that, we have to have a look at the adjustments. Is that clear, guys? Okay. Shall we go ahead with the adjustments first? Closing stock hum baad mein lenge adjustment at the end. First, we'll put adjustments for goods damaged. Goods damaged. Tell me the entry. Please tell me. Instead of saying abnormal loss account, you'll say damaged goods account debit. What? 2. You want to adjust with the purchases or you want to take in trading account? You want to take in trading account? Fair enough. No problem. We can take in what? Trading account. No problem. You can adjust with purchases also, because goods are damaged out of the purchases only. And goods damaged are coming in adjustment. So it means that these purchases are not yet adjusted. Not yet adjusted. Is that clear? Okay, fair enough. I'll go according to y'all only. Okay. Entry. Bolo. Closing. First entry. Damaged goods account debit. 500 to trading account. Okay. You want to put it in trading. No problem. For matching concept. Aajao. Have you passed that entry? Okay, come back here. What should I write here? Buy damaged goods. Buy damaged goods. How many are goods damaged? 5. Amount is how much? 500. Have I opened a ledger account also? Hello, hello. Have I opened a ledger account for damaged goods? Yes. So we'll go to damaged goods account. Damaged goods account debit to trading account. Damaged goods account debit to trading account. How much? 500. Now guys, this is a very, very important sum. Have a look at it. The way I'm solving it. Is that clear? It will take some time here. I will ask you few questions also later on, because this sum can be solved in a different way also. I'm solving the way you are saying now. Is that clear? There's another way of solving it. Damaged goods. All done? So one entry I have posted in trading account as well as damaged goods. Is that clear? Now, next. As you all know, insurance company has admitted a claim of how much? 400. Correct? Insurance company has still not paid you, but it is receivable from insurance company. Tell me the journal entry. Insurance company account debit to damaged goods. Damaged goods उतना कम होगा. Means वो आ गया ना पैसा उसका. अरे yes or no? So entry. Insurance company account debit. Insurance company account debit. They have admitted a claim of how much? 400 to damaged goods. How much? 400. All of you got it? Okay. Now insurance company is a debtor. Insurance company is a उसका एक ledger account निकालना है तो निकालो, but otherwise you remember you can put it on the asset side of the balance sheet. Is that clear? Okay, आ जाओ. Now come down to damaged goods account. In damaged goods, what will I write here? By insurance company. By insurance company. Amount how much? 400. By insurance company. ठीक है? You understood the posting or no? Now I'll ask you a question. Look at the analysis. Damaged goods account, is it left with some balance? I'm asking you a question. Please answer. Please open your mouth. Damaged goods account is left with any balance? How much is the balance left in damaged goods? 500 minus 400. 100 is the balance. It means that your damaged goods account is left with a debit balance of how much? 100. Because balancing figure will come here. By balance, don't write. By balance, carry down. But I'm not going to write here by balance, carry down. Reason, even damaged goods are what? Sold. And these damaged goods are sold for how much? So 100 worth goods are sold for 300. There's a profit of that has to be now accounted as a journal entry. How much cash you got from sale of damaged goods? Not 400. 400 is receivable still. Insurance company has still not paid the money. That is why we took it as receivable. Correct? I'm talking about the damaged goods. Insurance company is not going to take it. You are going to sell it in the market. Yes or no? So 100 to balance hai? Yes or no? But that is sold for how much? 300. There's a profit of how much? Now tell me the journal entry here. Yeah. Cash account debit. How much? Cash account debit. How much? 300. 300. You got the cash 300. Yes or no? So asset increases. बराबर है? Asset decreases. Damaged goods reduces to damaged goods. कितना? No. Damaged goods में balance कितना बचा है? 100. 100 है ना? अरे बोलो भाई. Then 2 profit on sale. POS means what? Profit on sale of damaged goods. POSO DG. What is POSO DG? Profit on sale of damaged goods. Yes or no? Hello? All of you got it? मैं जो बोल रहा हूँ समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है? Okay, कितना है? 200. See, I have done in one way. There are various ways of putting these entries. That also I'll tell you how it has to be put. Now, this is a very, very important thing. How are you going to post this entry in what? Damaged goods. Because in damaged goods, you will show this also, you will show this also. I'll tell you how to show it. Okay? This is something new for everyone. Hear it carefully and concentrate. Okay? Damaged goods is credited by how much? But there is one side cash which is debited. Yes or no? And there is one side which is profit on sale of damaged goods. Correct? Now आ जाओ इधर आ जाओ. ये देखो. The way I write it. I will write here buy cash. I will write here buy. I'll write here 300. Sir, क्या बात कर रहे हो? Damaged goods is credited only by how much? 100. Why are you writing 300 here? Now there is a profit or no? Profit you write on the debit side as to profit on sale of damaged goods, which is how much? 200. This account gets tallied. 700 हो गया tally. This is how you have to open your what? Ledger. Because profit has to be shown in damaged goods account. Is that clear? Now tell me, net effect is 100 only. Hello? 300 credit, 200 debit. What is the net effect? Net effect is credit how much? 100. और 100 ही credit होना चाहिए ना, मगर जब दिखाने का है ना, I want to show that profit in damaged goods account, I should show there only. Is that clear? Understood? Take down. धीरे धीरे समझ में आएगा आपको, because we are going to take asset account also. Might be in your second year you would have done asset, machinery account, depreciation, asset sold at a profit, profit or loss is shown in asset account only or no? Ida tara ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾರೆ ನೀವು, loss ಇಲ್ಲೇ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾರೆ, you will show the loss as well as profit in that asset account. This is also asset only, damaged goods, not a fixed asset but a current asset. Clear? All of you are able to understand? Now come back, answer this. Is this entry very much clear? But I have opened one more account known as profit on sale of damaged goods. इसको भी close करना है. This is also a nominal account. What account? Close it by transferring it to P&L account. What account? P&L account. Entry बोलो. Entry बोलो. Oh, this PO, profit on sale of damaged goods, is showing a credit balance. It has to close, means it has to be what? Debited. And P&L account should be what? Credited. Entry बोलो. Profit on sale of damaged goods account, debit to P&L account 200, and here also 200. दिमाग में जा रहा है? Easy है कि नहीं रे? All of you are able to understand? Now tell me, profit on sale of damaged goods account got closed, damaged goods also account got closed. Now we transfer that to P&L. P&L में जाके करना है entry. P&L credit side, no? Go to P&L. All of you go to P&L credit side. Leave one space for gross profit. नीचे buy profit on sale of damaged goods. How much? Are you getting it? Step by step I am going. Step by step. हो गया. Damaged goods का खत्म हो गया सब कुछ. Only thing in the balance sheet, insurance company एक आएगा इधर. Insurance company how much? 400 in balance sheet, because that entry I have passed, no? And it's a debtor. It's a debtor. लिख के ले रहे हो कि नहीं? All good so far? So far so good? All of you? All of you? Clear? Okay. Now, sir, I am done with damaged goods. Now tell me, this entry is done, this is done, this is done, this is done. Outstanding salary. Outstanding salary का entry बोलो. Outstanding salary means salary is incurred but not yet paid. Entry बोलो. आ जाओ फिर. हाँ. Tell me, salary account debit, salary expense account debit. कितना था अमाउंट हो? हाँ? 300 to outstanding salary. Liability increases. Here expense increases. Here liability also increases. 300. Now come back. इधर आ जाओ. ये salary expense जो है, this will be not 200 but it will be how much? Plus 300, which is now 500. बराबर है? And now outstanding salary is a liability. Instead of taking in trial balance, directly take in balance sheet. Anyway, it is a liability, correct? Outstanding salary कितना? 300. 500 कसं? 300 only is outstanding. No, not 500. बैलेंस शीट में 300, P&L में 500 आएगा. अंडरस्टूड गाइस? आई एम डन विथ आउटस्टैंडिंग. नाउ क्लोजिंग स्टॉक का एंट्री भी पास करके ही छोड़ो. चलो क्लोजिंग स्टॉक का एंट्री बोलो. टेल मी द एंट्री फॉर क्लोजिंग स्टॉक. closing stock account debit to trading account. How much? 1500. 1500. Clear? It means that closing stock account you have opened, it will come in the balance sheet and trading account, correct? Adjustments will have two effects, no? वो अभी journal entry के बाद ही पता चला. Buy, tell me, closing stock, how much? 15 units, 1500. And then balance sheet में भी आएगा, balance sheet में closing stock. Closing stock 1500. Two effects, no? Adjustments will always have two effects. Clear? हो गया? Now come here one by one. All of you there with me? Come down. Now tell me opening stock, entry bolo. Opening stock has to get closed, transferred to what? Trading account. Tell me the entry. Very good. Trading account debit to opening stock. See, actually one closing entry I can pass. Trading account debit to opening stock to purchases to direct expenses. वैसा भी कर सकता हूँ मैं एक ही entry में, but I am doing it separately. 1000 बराबर है. Come up here to opening stock. How many units? 10 units, 1000. Now similarly, can we close the purchases? Yes. Tell me the entry. Trading account debit to purchases. This can be a combined entry. Trading account debit to opening stock to purchases to direct expenses can be a combined entry, but I'm passing it separately. To purchases. How much? 9000 है ना? आ जाओ. Post it in a trading account to purchases. How much? 90 units at 9000. Then you have sales. Sir, opening stock is gone, purchases gone. Now sales भी खत्म करो. Entry. Very good. Sales account debit to trading account. Entry amount 10,000. 10,000. Clear? आ जाओ. Sales. Buy. Sales. 80 units. 10,000. Clear? Now salary कितना है? Salary 200 लेने का क्या 500 because already adjusted. वो 200 is an expense plus 300 is also an expense. Another effect I have already given in the liability side, 300. Now 300 will be added in P&L. Tell me, P&L account debit to salary expenses. Salary expenses, even presentation wise paid is 200. Add outstanding how much? 300. Outer column how much? 500. All of you are there with me? Yeah, adjustment. Otherwise directly you can write 500, no problem, because of the journal entry it has already come there. Any difficulty, guys? Shall we proceed? Okay. Done, sir. Salary is also done. Correct? Yes. Any nominal account left? No other nominal account is left. Two accounts are left, nominal. One is trading, another is what? P&L. And then we'll prepare the balance sheet. Is that clear? Okay. Shall we close all the accounts now? Yeah, two accounts are to be closed. Entry, tell me. Trading account debit to GP. GP bolo. 12,000. Yeah, 100. Units should tally always. 12,000. To GP is 2,000. Yep. Now here, by GP. This is 2,000. GP is brought down here. By GP. 2,000. Now before passing the journal entries, I am posting them into what? P&L. We can pass it. Now tell me the journal entries. You already done it. Please tell me the journal entries. Huh? Tell me. Trading account debit first. Trading account. First you have to close trading account. No. Trading account debit to GP. How much? 2000. And then next GP account debit to P&L 2000. वो बैलेंस करने के बाद ही मुझे पता चलता है कि कितना है जीपी. नाउ शैल वी गो टू एनपी? हेलो. टेल मी द एनपी एंट्री. आ जाओ. नेट प्रॉफिट भी करेंगे हम. 2200 1700 is net profit. Guys, 1700 is net profit. Entry. Very good. Please tell me. Go ahead. P&L account debit 1700 to net profit account 1700. All of you getting it? Now tell me, net profit should also get closed. Transfer to what account? Excellent, guys. You're really doing well. Appreciable. Net profit account debit 1700 to capital account. Because who is going to enjoy the profits? Owner. And owner's balance is represented by capital. Ho gaya, sir. Now will the capital also change? Yeah, be careful. Capital is 1700 higher. Capital will be plus 1700. Sir, outstanding salary I have taken, insurance company also I have taken, closing stock also I have taken. Now just put the things which are there. Furniture, kitna hai? 10,000? Keep on telling me. Furniture, bolo. Balance sheet. Furniture, how much? 10,000. Now you have the trial balance. Please keep on telling me. Next item bolo usme. Debtors, how much? Debtors, 750. Excellent. Next. Creditors, how much? 1000. Next. Cash at bank, how much? 51,000. In 50,000. 51,000. 050. Up till here, all of you understood? Last, capital. Inner column 61,000. Add net profit kitna hai? 1700 total. 60. Okay. One thing we missed out. Anybody can tell me? One thing we missed out here. Anybody can tell me? Hello, guys. One thing we missed out. Anybody can tell me? No, closing stock I have taken. Outstanding salary also I have taken. One thing purposely I have missed out. Anybody can tell me? Okay, you tally the balance sheet. It should tally. Profit तो लिया है ना. Profit उसमें आ गया ना. Profit net profit में ही है वो 1700. 200 is there in that 1700. Damaged goods is already gone. Damaged goods तो नहीं आता. Okay, 1 second. Wait. No, profit is there in that 1700. यार profit है ना इसमें. ये 200 is included. Hello, guys. This 1700 includes this 200. No. हाँ. Please tell me. Cash 300 मिला है. We have already debited cash account. Yes or no? Cash account will get updated. Because that trial balance में जो cash है, that is before selling the damaged goods. Yes or no? So I have purposely left it. ये cash क्या होगा? Plus होगा. क्या होगा? Plus कितना होगा? 300. Oh, missed out. Because that's an yes or no. So इधर आ जाओ. Cash will not be this much. Cash will be, tell me. इसलिए cash will be 5150. 51050 plus 300 ना. कितना? 51,000. Now you tally it. Will it tally on both the sides? Earlier it was not tallying, no. 64,000. And here how much? Pakka? 60. Good, at least 1%. Be careful. See, whenever I pass journal entry, no, वो ट्रायल बैलेंस चेंज होता है. अभी देखो जर्नल एंट्री इधर पास किया मैंने, देखो फर्स्ट ये देखो इधर देखो कैश अकाउंट डेबिट आया ना. नोबडी टोल्ड मी अपडेट कैश. पर्पसली आई लेफ्ट इट. कैश अकाउंट इज डेबिटेड नो यार. इट मीन्स दैट ट्रायल बैलेंस का कैश चेंज होगा. कैसा हमने सैलरी एडजस्ट किया ना, सैलरी को प्लस 300 किया. करेक्ट. कैपिटल को कैसे 1700 ऐड किया, वैसा कैश को भी करना चाहिए था ना ऐड. नहीं किया था. नाउ यू अंडरस्टूड. क्लियर. आर यू एबल टू गेट इट हाउ इट इज अफेक्टिंग. भाई साहब एक एंट्री भी चेंज हो गया ना, ट्रायल बैलेंस चेंज होगा. बिकॉज those entries are passed after preparing what? Trial balance. It means that that will definitely affect what? One of the balances in trial balance. Yes or no? Clear? Any difficulty? Especially cash. Any difficulty? All of you understood? Clear? Okay. Now guys, I want to throw some light on this sum in a different way. In a different way. Want to see this? Okay, fair enough. What I'll do is I'll take a different sum for you all and then present it. Okay, have a look at it. Huh. Okay. Okay. Now look at the way I can present this account. Okay. What did you say? Damaged goods, no? Hello guys. Damaged goods 5 units, correct? Now I'll start adjusting this damaged goods with purchases. What is that? Can I adjust damaged goods with purchase also? Like abnormal losses adjusted against what? Purchases. I can do that. Now ye dekho. Okay. Come down guys. Look at the journal entry. I'll not solve the entire sum, but only that thing of damaged goods. Dekho entry dekho. Damaged goods account debit. $500. 2 purchases. 2 purchases. 500. Now come down to trial balance. You tell me, will purchases change? Yes. This will not be 90 units. It will be how much? 85 units. And this will not be 9,000. This will be 8,500. All of you agree? Hello guys. All of you agree? Next. Next. Sir, damaged goods. Other things in damaged goods are same. Okay? Other things are same. Now damaged goods are insurance company account debit. Insurance company debit 400 to damaged goods. This entry will remain same. Next entry will also remain same. सेल ऑफ डैमेज गुड्स, करेक्ट. एंट्री बोलो. कैश अकाउंट डेबिट 300 नो, टू डैमेज गुड्स, 100, to profit on sale of damaged goods 200. Next entry will also remain the same. Profit on sale of damaged goods account debit 200 to P&L. ಹೌದಾ? ಅರೆ yes or no? Clear? All of you are able to understand? Now, so which is a new entry for you all? New entry I'll mark it in red. ये आपका different entry हो गया. Earlier you said damaged goods account debit to trading account. I said damaged goods account debit to what? Purchases. Super sir, super, super. Okay, next. Fifth entry, ये भी अलग होगा. Okay, ये भी अलग होगा. ये देखो, closing stock. बताओ एंट्री बताओ, क्लोजिंग स्टॉक का क्या है? आउटस्टैंडिंग सैलरी सेम रहेगा एंट्री. ओके, वो छोड़ दो. क्लोजिंग स्टॉक का एंट्री बताओ. क्लोजिंग स्टॉक अकाउंट डेबिट टू trading account. No, I want to adjust it with purchases only. Okay, I'll adjust. Closing stock account debit. Closing stock account debit 1500 to purchases. Which is how much? 1500. सर क्या बात कर रहे हो? आपका वापस परचेजेस चेंज हो गया सर. ये परचेजेस विल बी 70 नाउ. हाउ मच? Purchases will be 70 and this will be 7,000. How much? 7,000. It means that even damaged goods, that is abnormal loss in the earlier cases, and closing stock can be adjusted against purchases. Can be adjusted against. Now wait, have I prepared trading account or have I done all these adjustments with purchases only? With purchases I can do that. I can do that. Now सर एक काम करो आप ट्रायल बैलेंस और एक बार प्रिपेयर करो. इतना ही एंट्रीज मारने के बाद आ सकता है क्या ट्रायल बैलेंस? आ सकता है, फिर भी टैली होगा. टैली करके दिखाऊं? हेलो, यस, क्लियर. एनीवे आई हैव सोल्ड द डैमेज गुड्स, दैट इज अ डिफरेंट मैटर. क्लोजिंग स्टॉक इधर कम हो गया तो क्लोजिंग स्टॉक ट्रायल बैलेंस में आएगा. इधर क्या है करके क्लोजिंग बताओ. क्लोजिंग स्टॉक कितना आएगा डेबिट साइड? 1000, क्योंकि इधर 1500 कम हो गया ना. 8500 था, अभी कितना हो गया? 7000. अरे यस और नो? ट्रायल बैलेंस स्टिल व्हाट? टैलीज. इट मींस दैट कैन क्लोजिंग स्टॉक कम इन ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट? इफ क्लोजिंग स्टॉक कम्स इन ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट, उसका मतलब क्या है? इफ क्लोजिंग स्टॉक कम्स इन trading account, it means that journal entry is already passed and it is adjusted with purchases. No, so not trading account, sorry. If closing stock appears in trial balance, what is the meaning of it? I'm really sorry. The closing stock appears in, what is the meaning of it? Journal entry is already passed. Anyway, I'll come back to that later on. Okay, but I just wanted to explain about this. ये closing stock का अभी छोड़ दो. Closing stock का अभी लफड़ा नहीं चाहिए. I'll explain it separately with a simple sum. इतना समझ में आया? Hello? Now tell me, here in the previous sum, damaged goods are adjusted with? In the previous answer, what you did? Damaged goods were adjusted with what? Trading. Here I am adjusting with? No problem. In that case, purchases will come down. ये छोड़ दो. 85 आएगा. कितना? ये आ गया 85, ये आ गया 8500. Clear? Are you able to get it? Any difficulty? Understood? This is one more way of doing it. It is not necessary that everything you should adjust with what? Trading account. You can adjust with purchases also. अर्थ आता है? Any difficulty? Now concentrate here. ये छोड़ दो. अभी ये सम देखो. हेलो. 1. Opening stock 10 units. This is TB, trial balance. Debit and credit. Opening stock 10 units into 100, which is 1000. Second, purchases, which is 90 units at the rate of 100, 9,000. Third, sales, 80 units at the rate of 125 each. How much? 10,000. And then there is an adjustment of closing stock. What stock? Closing stock. Is that clear? Closing stock 20 units at the rate of 100 each. At the rate of 100 each. Now, outside trial balance is closing stock. Closing stock can't be adjusted against. Tell me. Closing stock account debit to purchases. How much? 2000, 2000. Now, after passing this entry, if I prepare another trading trial balance, TB, देखो first opening stock कितना है? 10. Debit and credit कितना? 1000. Purchases बोलो. Purchases will not be how much? 90. It will be how much? 70. 70 into 100, which will be how much? 7,000. Then third, sales, 80 units at the rate of 125. This will be how much? 10,000. Even closing stock will come in trial balance now. Closing stock, how many units? 20 units at 100, which is how much? 2,000. Still the trial balance what? Tallies. Arey bolo bhai. So what is the meaning of it? The meaning is, bolo. If the closing stock appears in the, batao, if the closing stock appears in what? Trial balance, it means that purchases are not actual purchases. Purchases are adjusted purchases. What purchases? Now, ये सम लेके अगर ट्रायल बैलेंस में ऐसा दिया है, अगर ये सम लेके आप क्या करोगे? ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट निकालोगे. Then your trading account will be something like this. Have a look at it. Trading account will be something like this. Units, rupees, units, rupees. टू ओपनिंग स्टॉक. बताओ. जर्नल एंट्री आएगा ना, ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट डेबिट टू ओपनिंग स्टॉक कितना? टू परचेजेस कितना? 7,000. But this is after adjusting for what? Closing stock. Then buy sales 80 units at what about closing stock? Will it come in trading account? Will this closing stock come in trading account or directly go to balance sheet? It will directly go to what? Balance sheet. Of course, other items I have not taken in trial balance. Is that clear? Other items bhi rahenge. Are understood or no? So tell me, if closing stock appears in head, if the closing stock appears in, then closing stock will not come in. It will directly go to, it's a balance sheet item. Reason? Closing stock is entry is already passed, adjusted with purchases. तो एक बार ऐसा होता है कि so you can do a presentation something like this. Don't do it like this. You can put it like this also. Sir, purchases actually कितना है? 90 less closing stock. How much? 20. Outer column how much? 77,000. Like you have done abnormal loss yesterday. Abnormal loss, can it be adjusted with purchases? Similarly, closing stock can also be adjusted with what? Purchases. So they can trick you in the examination. In your examination, they can give you a trial balance with closing stock. उसका मतलब क्या है? If the closing stock appears in, it means that closing stock entry is already passed by adjusting it with trading account or purchase account? Purchase account. It means that whatever purchases appear in your trial balance, they are not your actual purchases, they are adjusted purchases. What purchases? This is a concept. And if closing stock appears not in the trial balance but as an adjustment, उसका मतलब क्या है? It is not adjusted with trading also, it is not adjusted with what? Purchase also. Then those purchases are actual purchases. Got it? Clear? Are you able to get the things difference? नहीं, I am talking only about closing stock. If abnormal loss also comes in trial balance, then abnormal loss is also adjusted with purchases. हो सकता है. It means that abnormal loss आपने एंट्री पास नहीं किया है, वो प्रैक्टिकली पॉसिबल नहीं है. हाँ, हो सकता है. Might be abnormal loss you have not found out, but closing stock के लिए physical stock तो चाहिए ना. Closing stock you have to first physically count it. उधर ही पता चलेगा आपको कि लॉस हुआ है करके. See, I have opening stock of 10, purchase is 90, sold is 80. Everything I know. What should be my closing stock? That 20 physically ಇರಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಗೋಡೌನ್ನಾಗ. Now you go and check in the godown, only 15 are there. Then you will start inquiring. According to the books, opening stock is 10, purchase is how much? 90, bills are there, sold are how much? 80, उसके भी bills है. So closing stock कितना रहना चाहिए stock में? 20 रहना चाहिए. You go and catch the storekeeper बोलेगा नहीं सर 15 ही है. 15 है तो तूने चोरी किया है, नहीं तो goods are burnt, lost, कुछ तो हुआ है. Then you will pass the entry. ये in inventory chapter I'll tell you in detail कैसा होता करके. Is that clear? ये inventory में आएगा, but here for limited purpose you understand this. Is that clear? Any difficulty? पक्का? Guarantee? Okay, now let me see how many of you can tell this. Okay, आ जाओ. Now come down here. I'll just give you a trial balance. Hello, these are only your basic things. This is TB, trial balance. Hello, hear it carefully. Opening stock, debit, credit, same 1000. 2, cash 50,000. 51,000. 3, 1 second. Okay, एक मिनट रहो. We'll take like this. थोड़ा गलत लिया मैंने. Okay, एक मिनट रहो. 1, cash 51,000. 2, furniture 10,000. 3, debtors 15,000. 4, creditors 10,000. 5, capital. Okay, capital 60,000. How much? 60,000. 6, net profit. Net profit 6,000. Total it. Is the trial balance telling? 76? चहा पिला का काय पिला का तुम्ही? Now 1 second. Hello, all of you have a look at this, my trial balance. What do you infer from this trial balance? Okay, hint I'll give you. Real, personal, nominal. is a hint. Analyze the trial balance. What do you learn from this trial balance? Very good, very good. Trading account is already closed because there are no trading items. Opening stock nahi hai, purchases nahi hai, sales nahi hai. Correct. Salary expense, indirect expenses bhi nahi hai. Net profit hai magar. Kya hai? It means that you have just passed that entry, P&L account debit to net profit. So net profit is showing a credit balance. It has come in the trial balance. ऐसा ट्रायल बैलेंस दे के they'll say prepare balance sheet. Can you easily prepare? उरले काय सगळे balance sheet items उरलेत. What is left in this is only balance sheet items. It means that after looking at this trial balance, what do you understand? Hedrappa, please tell me, after looking at this trial balance, what do you understand? Trading account and P&L account is already closed. Only one nominal account is left, which is what? Net profit. Only one nominal account is left. What is that? Very good. Thank you very much. Net profit is a nominal account. All are, this is real, this is real, this is personal, this is personal, this is personal. No adjustments are there because already adjustments are already what? Done. Hello? Hello, hello? Understood? Clear? पक्का? गारंटी? आपको ट्रायल बैलेंस देख के पता रहना चाहिए कि कौन सा अकाउंट क्लोज हुआ है करके. दिस इज व्हाट इज asked in CA. And I still remember, guys, there was one accountant when I was doing auditing. I still remember वो सारा क्लोजिंग एंट्रीज पास करके आया था. तभी भी था सिस्टम था टैली में, but then tally was not, now tally no is very, it will also pass the closing entries on its own. क्लोजिंग एंट्रीज थोड़ी जरूरत नहीं, ऐसा टैली है आजकल. But when we were doing articleship, we had to literally pass what? Closing entries. And there was one accountant who was शाना, वो सब closing entries पास किया, net profit का closing entry पास नहीं किया. Trial balance में net profit आ गया. All the nominal accounts were closed. Then मेरे को उतना accounts का समझ में नहीं आता था पहला, because इतना in-depth knowledge नहीं था. Then I went to sir. I said, sir, ಸ್ಯಾಲ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಎಂಥ ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟನ್ರಿ ಅಂತ. परचेज नहीं, क्या धंधा करता है क्या पता. ये ಹಂಗಲ್ಲೋ ವಿನಾಯಕ, ಕ್ಲೋಸಿಂಗ್ ಎಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರು. ಸರ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸಿಂಗ್ ಎಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ ಸರ್? ಮನ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಗೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪೆಂಡ್ because they never told us about closing entries. Now tell me, today practically if I give you this kind of a trial balance, what will you say? Trading close हो चुका है. In fact, closing stock is nil because otherwise closing stock will also come in what? Your trial balance, because closing stock practically रहता ही है. Zero stock तो hardly any companies are there with what? Zero stock. रहेगा ही रहेगा. ये क्या जापान का कंपनी नहीं है? No, Japanese are like very very prompt. That is known as just in time approach. I'll tell you something which is what is known as just in time. JIT म्हणतात त्याला. काय म्हणतात? Just in time means जितना रॉ मटेरियल चाहिए प्रोडक्शन के लिए उतना ही आएगा, उसी टाइम पे आएगा, उसी टाइम पे प्रोडक्शन होगा, उसी टाइम कस्टमर आके लेके जाएगा. So just imagine if you are a manufacturer of certain goods. Let us say you are manufacturing shirts in Japan. Okay, customer says I want 1,000 shirts. And customer says I will come on this particular day, this particular time. Correct? You as a manufacturer, you will, based on that, you will place an order for what? Raw material. Raw material also will come in that time. Production उसी time पे खत्म होगा. कैसा इधर finished goods आएगा, वैसा वो customer आके लेके चला जाएगा. Now tell me, will you be left with any stock? Zero stock. India ने गए, कस्टमर बोलेगा एक दिन, 2 महीने के बाद आऊँगा. करेक्ट? इधर प्रोडक्शन रुका रहता है. रीज़न आज ಅಮಾವಾಸ್ಯೆ वो येत नहीं. ಅಮಾವಾಸ್ಯೆ ರೀ ಹೊತ್ತ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ನಾವ, ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ರೀ. today's Amash, you know. That is why some of the people have not come also, I think. No, with due respect, whatever it is, I don't want to get into all those things. But those people are not like that. उन्होंने एक बार जबान दे दिया ना, तो उस टाइम पे आएगा मीन्स आएगा ही गुड्स. Just imagine if you are maintaining zero stock, so much of money you will be saving. No storage cost. गोडाउन का जरूरत ही नहीं है. कैसा आएगा वैसा प्रोडक्शन में जाएगा, कस्टमर लेके जाएगा. मीन्स सप्लायर ऑल्सो इज ऑन टाइम, प्रोडक्शन पीपल आर ऑन टाइम, customers are also on time. Production people includes employees also. They are absolutely on time. I still remember I was working in Accenture. I had an interaction with one of the Japanese. You give them a time, okay? You give them at, you please come at 8. They will not come at 7:55. They will come dot at 8. Might be around 25 seconds early. Because they have that importance for 5 minutes also. Dot. 5 o'clock, sir, our office runs from 8 to 5. 5 o'clock, whatever is the work, system shut down, they go home. In India, first, if the office starts at what? 8. We come at 8:15, 8:20, 8:30, 8:45. Then we look here and there. And I'm telling you the office scenario. This is what we also have done. Okay? We look here and there. Kuch initially kuch nahi rehta. Correct? And then half a day is gone. Then we go to cafeteria, have our food. Then some games are there. I used to do this sometimes because some of the processes are not run. People are not doing because my process has to start after some other person has what finished his job. So I used to play table tennis, this, then come. Then that one person has done a delay. Then everyone's work is what? Delayed. Then we say मंग्या कर ले कुंडू दल. सर वो अभी तक प्रोसेस खत्म नहीं किया है, मेरा प्रोसेस कैसा शुरू होने वाला? नहीं उसके घर में मदर इन लॉ वाज नॉट कीपिंग वेल, मदर इन लॉ हैड कॉल्ड, recently got married, he had some function, poor guy. Correct? Because of his marriage our process is getting what? Delayed. आणि आमचं लग्न, our marriage, our kids, our family is not there. Then everything gets, then overtime. Then we have to sit beyond 5 also. Beto, karo. Morning I have left at 8 o'clock. Evening I reach by what? 9, 10, 11, 12. Because of one person's what? Delay. This is what used to happen. And generally, we also have that tendency of postponing the things. Postpone. And then suddenly, nth hour, when it comes, we start working. And then we stretch for overtime, 3 hours, 4 hours. Then we come back home. Then mother says, oh, maga ಎಷ್ಟು overtime ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದಾನೆ. Office ನೇಗೇನು ಮಾಡಾನು? ಏನು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. When work time was there, he did not work only. Then he stretched for what? 3 hours. What does he use? जो टाइम दिया है उसी टाइम पे काम करो ना भाई. So sometimes you have to learn from other nations. You see all these things you'll come to know only when you interact with people from different countries. At least I was lucky to interact with such people. You should have that kind of an interaction with such people. You'll come to know how they work, their working style. Everything is different. They are Japanese. They believe themselves to be superior. Huh? They believe themselves to be a superior race. They feel that all other human race is below them. That is why you know the history, no? Pearl Harbor. I did not tell you, they attacked America, and of course Americans were very powerful. Hiroshima, Nagasaki हो गया. But इतना ही छोटा है वो Japanese देश. Amazing people here. My friend is in Japan. He was telling, time means time. Even if their train is late by 5 seconds, they apologize. ट्रेन में अनाउंसमेंट आता है, वी आर सॉरी वी हैव डिलेड द ट्रेन बाय 5 seconds. इंडिया में 5 5 seconds late means it is in time here. आधा घंटा 1 घंटा लेट होने के बाद नो अपॉलॉजी नथिंग. एंड द train in India doesn't come and stop at the wherever. I mean, they have put a board here. Okay, S6 coach. That S6 coach stands somewhere else only. ಮತ್ತೆಲ್ಲ ಲಗೇಜ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್, ಅವ್ರು ಎಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಇನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ. There it is not like that. You stand there, exactly the door opens in front of you only. At designated areas where you have to stand. That is why people feel that, you know, those countries are better than our nations. That is how it is. Okay, anyway. Okay, 1 second. I'll give you one more trial balance. Hello? Okay guys, I'll give you one more trial balance. Please tell me. Okay, let me see how many of you can answer this. 6 opening stock 1000. No, not opening stock. Okay. 6th GP 2000. 7 salaries, salary 200. 8 electricity expenses 300. 9 थोड़ा चेंजेस करेंगे. ओके, स्टॉक now I am not saying whether it is opening stock or closing stock. I am just putting it as what? Stock. Is that clear? Stock 1500. Okay, does it tally? First of all, tell me, does it tally? नहीं, कुछ तो लफड़ा हुआ. टैली हुआ? नहीं, 1 सेकेंड. नहीं, टैली नहीं हुआ ना. 77 करेक्ट. ओके, कैपिटल थोड़ा चेंज करेंगे. 65,000. how much? अभी टैली हो गया देखो. टैली हो गया? नहीं हुआ? कैसे? 76 79 है क्या? 78. ओके, 66 लेंगे. 66. okay, done. Tallies? Okay, now what do you understand from this trial balance? Trading account is already closed. Very good. Trading account is already closed. Is P&L account closed? Why? Salary and electricity expenses are what? Are indirect expense. What expense? And these expenses will come in P&L. Is that clear? Now what is this stock? Is this opening stock or closing stock? Pakka? How many of you say it is not closing stock, it is opening stock? Why? Why it is closing stock? No, I'll assume this as opening stock. What is the problem? Huh? Very good. Trading account is already prepared. If trading account is already prepared means opening stock udhar aayega na. Trading account debit to what? Opening stock. Sir, but closing stock entry I have already passed. I have already passed. That is why it is coming in trial balance. It means that closing stock account debit to trading account. Trading account is already what? Closed. Now closing stock comes in your trial balance, means it is going to come only in what? Balance sheet. Is that clear? So when closing stock comes in trading account, it will come only in balance sheet. These are the things what they are asking in CA Foundation nowadays. Because many of them, they first of all, they don't know the accounting process only. अकाउंटिंग प्रोसेस बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है. कैसा भी करके आपको ये ऐसा करना ही है आपको. नाउ टेल मी, एक आदमी है अकाउंटेंट, वो ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट क्लोज करके मर गया, ऐसा ही आएगा ना फिर. अभी तक पी एंड एल क्लोज नहीं हुआ है, पी एंड एल आइटम्स आर देयर, जीपी तो है. यस और नो? समझ में आया? एनी डिफिकल्टी? गाइस, दीज आर वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स. रीड, यू शुड नो हाउ टू, व्हाट इज द ट्रायल बैलेंस, की क्या आइटम है क्या आइटम नहीं है. हाँ, टेल मी हेल्प दर्शन. No, very crucial. These are many of them. Hello, CA students, na, many of them, they, especially in accounts, they are failing because they don't understand the basics only. ये क्या है, ट्रायल बैलेंस कैसा आया, ट्रायल बैलेंस में कौन से आइटम्स है, पर्सनल, रियल, नॉमिनल, 3 रहेंगे. अगर नॉमिनल एक भी नहीं रहा, then it means that all the nominal accounts are what? Closed, including trading account and P&L account. Might be net profit is also transferred to capital. हो सकता है net profit भी नहीं है समझो, then net profit is already transferred to what? Capital. Then only balance sheet you have to what? Prepare. Is that clear? Any difficulty? Now I can comfortably say that at least, hello, wait. Now I can comfortably say that at least you have done your basics clearly. Other concepts are there, 2 more concepts. Then that is the end of your basic classes. One concept I'll take, bills of exchange. What? Bills of exchange, which is important. Second concept, what I'm going to take is depreciation. What? Depreciation. And bank reconciliation statement. Rectification is also there. थोड़ा बहुत बताऊंगा. See, basic class में ना थोड़ा ही बताऊंगा मैं आपको. Not everything. Because in the foundation classes, what they in detail जाएंगे, उधर तो in detail ही रहेगा. Okay, now, hello, 5 minutes are there. Concentrate. Who asked you all to pack the bags? Sit here. Concentrate. Tell me the accounting process once again. Tell me. No, you have to do the revision, otherwise दिमाग में नहीं बैठेगा वो. चलो बोलो. First, pass. Very good. With the help of past journal entries, with the help of transactions or events. And these transactions and events, उसके लिए source document रहेगा. Documentary evidence, vouchers. These are also known as source documents. What documents? Because that is a source. From there only I am getting the information and I am putting my journal entries. Then after passing the journal entries, what do? Journal entries are posted into ledger. Subsidiary books are there, either journal entries or what? Subsidiary books I'll tell you later on. Sir, then next. Tell me. Ledger. Ledger posting के बाद ledger balancing. And ledger balancing, after ledger balancing you prepare trial balance. Very good. And in trial balance you'll have all the accounts, nominal, personal and real. And which accounts have to be closed? Nominal accounts have to be. If adjustments are there, first do the adjustments and then close the nominal accounts. Is that clear? Agar adjustments ही नहीं है, if there are no adjustments, then close all the nominal accounts. You will get trading account, P&L account. Then close that also. Prepare what? Balance sheet. Itna simple process hai. And I'll tell you these people who take tally gili, इधर बहुत बड़ा बड़ा होर्डिंग लिखा है देखो. So I don't want to name the institute. Is that clear? Tally सिखाया जाएगा. Correct? Pay, only 6,000 rupees, only 10,000 rupees for 3 months. Tally. The person who teaches tally there, you ask what are closing entries. There are no closing entries, only journal entries. You pass the journal entries, you will get the balance sheet directly. Reason? Tally only passes what entries? Closing entries, automatic. It is programmed like that. Guys, I'll tell you. Okay, when I was in Bangalore, I had been to my friend's office. उसके पास Bosch company, he is the auditor. He was telling that even journal entries are getting passed automatically. Just imagine, let us say I'm the supplier, you're the Bosch company. Okay, I'll have to give the invoice what in computer to a particular email in a particular format. So all the things are filled up and that goes to a designated email, and you know the system picks up the information and passes the entry, purchase entry, because all the details of supplier are given, and it is a credit sale for me. For you it is what? Credit purchases. You are a Bosch company, आपका automatically entry हो रहा है. सेल ऑल्सो वही फॉर्मेट पे जाएगा. वो सेल तो आपके पास ही रहता है, ऑटोमेटिकली वो भी पास हो रहा है एंट्री. कमिंग डेज यू डोंट हैव टू पास द जर्नल एंट्रीज ऑल्सो. सर फिर अकाउंटेंट का काम खतरे में है. यू नेवर नो, एटलीस्ट राइट नाउ इट इज नॉट देयर, बिकॉज वो टेक्नोलॉजी एंड ऑल थोड़ा आने के लिए वक्त है. बट टेल मी, अकाउंटेंट का काम खतरे में रहेगा, चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट का नहीं रहेगा वो. एवरीथिंग कम्स ऑटोमेटिकली, बट अ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट शुड बी एबल टू एनालाइज ना कि कहाँ से आया है, कहाँ हिट हुआ है, वेयर इट हैज हिट, which account it has hit, from where it has been routed and come to balance sheet. Everything will hit your what? Balance sheet. Ultimately everything will hit your balance sheet, and that is what we have studied in accounting equation. एक transaction लेने के बाद I directly prepare the balance sheet or no? अरे बोलो भाई, ultimately everything is hitting balance sheet only. That is why they don't say trading P&L, they'll say what is your balance sheet. And balance sheet में भी presentation रहता है, opening capital, add net profit. हाँ, आपको इन डिटेल चाहिए. इफ यू वांट इन डिटेल व्हाट आर द सेल्स, व्हाट आर द एक्सपेंसेस, यू हैव टू सी योर ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट एंड P&L अकाउंट. This kind of analysis should be done by commerce students. Lot of potential is there, let me tell you. बहुत सारा काम है. Only thing you have to understand in detail कि कैसा हो रहा है. I am telling you whatever I have taken ना, around 12, how many lectures now? 12, 13 lectures. Within 13 lectures, what kind of knowledge you have got, you tell me? Immense knowledge. Just imagine you attend another 50, 60 classes of mine. You will be an expert in what? Accounts. कौन सा भी देने दो, you will be able to crack it. You will be able to understand. As far as accounting is concerned, what is taught and what is there practically same only. Debit cannot be credit, credit cannot be debit. Asset, what is in the textbook is an asset practically also. But what do the teachers tell or people in the office tell? नहीं, वो प्रैक्टिकल अलग होता है. अकाउंटिंग और आपको जो कॉलेज में सिखाया है वो अलग है. नहीं, वो सिखाया नहीं ठीक तरह से. ठीक तरह से सिखाया ना, आपको सब कुछ पता चलेगा. It was very difficult for me. I'll tell you, it was such a difficult thing for me when I joined my CA classes, and that too we never did our foundation. Directly after BCom. Nobody was, forget about accounts. We were not taught the difference between fixed assets and current asset. This difference was not known to us. And I still remember, Nityashri, your grandfather had asked us a question. Wages paid for erection of a machinery. I still vividly remember that question. Wages paid for installing a machinery. He asked me the question and he said, pass the journal entry. You tell me the journal entry now. Wages paid for installation of a machinery. Paid. One. Machinery account debit to bank. Now उत्तर ಏನು ಹೇಳಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾನೆ? Wages account debit. Knowledge ही नहीं था. This was when I finished my BCom. But then I realized this is not the way to study. Then I again came down with PUC 1 books. वो शुक्ला एंड ग्रेवाल इतना बड़ा बुक, BS Raman, we had those days. Then we started studying those books practically, क्या है कैसा है करके, because in detail everything was given in those books. This kind of hopeless knowledge we had. At least we understood that हाँ भाई we are weak at accounts, and then we corrected ourselves. One thing you remember, you want to learn something, no? The greatest power is the power of not knowing something and accepting that I don't know. Then you will be knowledgeable. Who is a wise man? A wise man is a man who knows that he knows nothing. And you accept it also. If you say, hey, ye malum hai, wo malum hai. After your second year you came here, how many of you scored 100 out of 100 in accounts? Tell me, second year. Raise your hands. 95 and above, raise. हाँ कितनी अलग है? 97, 100, 97, 100, 97, 100. What knowledge you all had? 100 you scored. 95 you scored. What knowledge you all had? You all had that knowledge of difference 5 marks. 100 minus 95, 100 minus 97. Ask knowledge itne before coming to this classes. Yes or no? Now you got proper knowledge. Yes or no? This is how you have to study your accounts. Please try to understand that. Please be humble and say that yes, this concept I don't know, I'll learn it. At least I do that even today. Something new, no, I am ready to learn. Technology, sometimes I don't know. Some of the technologies I don't know. I keep on asking Preetham also. What is that tagging, gigging? मुझे मालूम नहीं, अभी तक मालूम नहीं वो पल्ले ही नहीं पड़ रहा मेरे को. Hang tag ಮಾಡ್ತೋರಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೈತಿ, ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತೈತಿ. But you all know it because you all are deep into that, correct? किसको टैग किया तो कहाँ जाएगा, कहाँ, because अदरो तुम्हें जिरला रहते जाता है. So वैसा आप अकाउंट्स में करना चाहिए, स्टडीज में करना चाहिए. Then your brain will start working like anything. Please understand this, guys. Okay, don't mess up with your life. Okay, any kind of difficulty, please come and ask. Please feel free. Whatever it is, let it be the silliest. आपको लगता है कि ये silly है करके, फिर भी पूछो. Please ask. I am ready to help you. For me, understanding the concepts is very, very important, because at least my students, I'll tell you about CA Foundation here. People have studied CA Foundation near us. Okay. After foundation, generally maximum people, they don't stay back in Belgaum because they want to enjoy. They either go to Pune, they either go to Bangalore. Most of them are going to Pune. And when my students here from our classes, they go to Pune, they are very good at accounts. And the students in Pune and the professors in Pune, they ask them, from where have you learned what accounts? इतना in detail कैसा सीख पाया आपने? That is because of these classes, because I don't leave only. First is my 21 days basic class. I will not leave you all only. वही तो important है सब. सबसे पहले वो important है मुझे. Many students who tell me, sir आपने base इतना strong करके दिया, accounts is nothing for us now. But those kids have really studied well, na? It is not like, itna kiya and then they left it out like that. No, day in and day out, they were asking me questions. Sir, ये ऐसा हो तो ये कैसा है? इसका effect कहाँ आता है? Please, logically कहाँ आता है? Please keep on asking. I'll tell you. In another few days, okay, you will be an expert in your second year accounts also. सेकेंड ईयर में आपका जो है ना पार्टनरशिप, देन यू हैव व्हाट, कंपनी अकाउंट्स, चिल्लर हो जाएगा वो. यू ओनली हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड द मैकेनिज्म ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर व्हाट चैप्टर. हाँ, पार्टनरशिप में क्या, एडमिशन, रिटायरमेंट, डेथ, देन डिसोल्यूशन, कंसेप्ट, कंपनी में कंसेप्ट कैसा होता है, हाउ द फॉर्म्स मूव, एप्लीकेशन कैसा फिल किया जाता है, ऑल दीज थिंग्स आर इंपॉर्टेंट. अदर थिंग्स आर सिंपल यार, डेबिट क्रेडिट तो सेम ही रहेगा ना. There was one student I still remember from science background, he had come and he had attended only my class, no practice, nothing. वैसा ही जाके एग्जामिनेशन लिखा, 54 he got. Brilliant chap. I said, अरे यार वो सर स्टडी नहीं किया, only I have attended your class. तब recorded classes भी नहीं था. He just attended all my accounts class, he wrote the paper, he cleared his foundation. Very, very lazy that fellow was. Still, I'm not saying you should be like that. Had he put in that extra bit of effort, practiced well, he would have got more than 19 accounts. You can get it. Many of our students have got more than 19 accounts. Okay? So, guys, from today onwards, if you have any difficulty, slightest, silliest of the silliest doubt, please come and ask. Don't worry. Don't be ashamed of asking doubts. If you carry your doubts to your residence, then it will be a big problem. All your doubts, I'm there to solve. Is that clear? We will wind up. Jai Hind. See you. Take care.